Never joke with your attitude if you are a startup. Attitude is what is killing our Zongos. Our Zongos is embedded with a wrong attitude. And any Zongo youth I meet, his attitude I talk about first. But let me tell you something in wealth creation. If you want to make money, we are here because we want to make money. If you want to make money, 70% is your attitude. 70%. 25% is your skill. 5% is your knowledge. So if you don't have the right attitude, from day one you are failed already. We sleep too much in the Zongos. We waste too much. We marry too early. Yet we don't have money. I will tell you my story one day. The reason why I didn't marry too early was